Okay, I'm back. Finally got my car registered. Oh my goodness. I went to look for seashell. No seashell. I don't know what I was seeing yesterday, but I did get some cute nautical things, so we'll see. Anyway, I'm just getting ready to close out for the gift away, this one, which is for a craft room. This is different than the other ones. This one is, as you can see, it's 3D. It's a three-dimensional one. So I'm going to pull for these this evening. This one and then the crane picture. So if you're interested in the giveaways for those, again, let me know. And this is also a giveaway. If you're interested in this one, please put in there for the holiday pine giveaway. So now I'm going to go through. I have numbered these, and if you are interested in them, email me and let me know. I want to make sure that it's still available. And the small ones, it's a minimum donation of $7. And for the larger ones, a minimum donation of $10 for this size. And then if you want a double, it would be like $12. Okay. So let's start going through them. And this is number 1, purple floral. Number 2, three, 4, 5. As you can see, this one is fun. It says peace down here. Let me get this open so you can see it a little better. Sometimes they're a little hard to see. I've got them packed up in here because I don't want to lose the screws, because all the screws are painted to match them. So this is number 5. See, they're much brighter, nice in when you get them out from behind the case where they're packed. Now the problem is getting them back in there again. Okay. So our piece one is, oop, did I just lose? Okay, well I'm going to have to finish putting this one back in a while. Oh, there it is, the screw. Can't lose the screw to it. Okay. Number 5. Okay. Sorry about this. Easier taking them out than it is to put them back. 5. Okay. 6. Is it purple? And if there's any of these you'd like to see out of this protected covering, let me know and I could take it out and show it to you. 7. 8. I should take these little guys out because it's got the writing on this. 9. Number 7, little owls. I think the I like the little owls. Hooty hoo. So our little owls are number 8. Number 9. Mushrooms cute for a kitchen, 10. 11. 12. Oh, let me take them out. Kitty cats. And it's got all the different breeds: Siamese, blue, Bengal. So kitty cats are number 12. And I did get some other cat things to do today. 13. 14. Let me take this out because we have the writing on it again, so you just don't catch the whole thing here. Oops, don't want to lose the screws. There you have it, 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. Oh, take this one out. Cute for a kid's room. 22. Little ice creams. 23. 24. I think somebody was asking about the lotus, so if you are interested in it, get a hold of me. 25. 26. 27. And these are done with a paper, not a fabric. These are a little more quirky. If you like something really quirky. 28. 28. Just dropped both of the screws. Back in there. These are so much easier to get out than to put back. Up. 28. This is 29. This opens, you can see it. Nine. There. And last but not least, 30. Fetish. And we've got the shoe. Again, quirky. Okay, so next we go on to the larger. I have two of this size, and these are a minimum $10 donation. We have our geisha, and we have our Christmas poinsettia. Now we go on to the doubles. These would be minimum of 12. The first one. It's kind of more of a metal looking. We have number 2, it's a floral. Oh no, that's number 3. This is number 2. Jewelry, bracelets piled up on each other. They do have some sparkles on them. Okay. So if you have a double and you like something quirky. And the last one. I hope this didn't stick. Paper didn't stick. Okay. And the last one is we have the jeweled parrot. The jeweled parrot. It's like it kind of stuck there a little bit. Anyway, okay, quirky jeweled parrot. So, there you have it. So again, if you're interested in any of those, you can write to the Crystal Kundalini Hotmail. I got that back working again. And again, tonight I'm going to pull for the winner of the craft room. If you're interested in the gift away of the pine, let me know. And the crane, those I'm going to pull this evening. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in. I've got more to do, so there will be ongoing different ones. If you don't find something you like this time, maybe something will be coming up that you enjoy. And then I've got a couple of new ideas I'm going to try out. We'll see if you like it. If you don't, we'll find out. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, love and light. Mask up, be safe, and I'll see you online.